Your AI can build presentations now. Not just an outline you paste into Canva. A finished design deck made inside the chat. Gamma connects to both ChatGPT and Claude. I teach content creation and I run corporate sessions, so I'm making decks consistently. And this has replaced Canva for pretty much all of it. This video is full setup for both. The two things each one is better at, and 3-prompt rule that decide whether you get something good or something that screams made with AI. Timestamps are below if you only came for the setup. Quick one first, because plenty of you haven't used Gamma. Gamma takes text and turns it into a finished presentation. And I want to be clear about what that means. Because AI presentation tool usually means it dumps your text into a template. This doesn't. It writes the slides, picks a different layout for each slide, chooses the image and hands you something that already looks designed. Then you can edit it afterwards, either manually or by just telling it what to change via prompts. And now you can easily connect ChatGPT and Claude. So you never have to leave your chats and can make decks from that particular chat only. Open your ChatGPT account, click on Settings, then Plugins. Now search Gamma and install it. That's the whole thing. Now anywhere in ChatGPT, you can say make this a Gamma and it builds one inside the conversation. Open your Claude account, go to Settings, click on Connectors, then Add, then Browse Connectors, search Gamma and click on this plus icon. Connect to Gamma. So both your setups are done. There's no reason to pick one. And by the end of this video, you will see why you would want both. Right. What to actually do with it. And the two are good at opposite things, which is interesting part. ChatGPT is better when the thinking is already done and you just need the presentation. That's because of memory. It's been listening to you talk about your work for months, so it starts way ahead of a blank page. Here's the real one. I had a content creation demo session coming up. I didn't upload a brief. I didn't paste in notes. I typed, build me a deck for a content creation demo session for Creator Youth. Make it a Gamma. That's the whole prompt. And it already knew how I run these. It pulled my usual structure, the exercises I use, the way I split theory and practical, because ChatGPT knows everything about it as we regularly talk with each other. 3 minutes and it was done. One thing to watch though, it filled in a couple of details that I'd never told it. It guessed. So read the whole thing before you present it, every single time. But that's what ChatGPT is for. Standing start, minimum typing and maximum speed. Claude is the opposite. Claude is better when you don't know what you want yet. This is where I do my content planning with Opus 5 because planning is thinking and thinking is messy. So I don't ask for a deck first, I dump everything. What my students are actually stuck on, which of my reels flopped last month and my honest guess why, what I'm launching, and the fact that I only want to shoot twice a week because I hate shooting. We go back and forth many times, then same chat, one line, make it a Gamma. And here you can see how beautifully it crafted this masterpiece. Here are the 3 prompts rule. First, ask for the outline first, then approve it. Think of an outline like a table of contents. If you skip this, the AI might choose the wrong points or the wrong order. Second, tell your exact style. Colors, font, logo, images, infographics, etc. Otherwise, it will use the default style that looks generic. For example, yellow, black, white, font pop-ins. Third, give it a limit, a constraint, like 10 slides or 8 minutes. Limits force the AI to pick only the most important parts, so the deck becomes sharper and less messy. Here is the prompt example. You can take screenshot of this. What it won't do. It's not a full design tool. If your brand has strict spacing rules and exact hex codes, you will still need to open Gamma and recheck it there. And the one I actually care about, Gamma can make an empty idea look expensive. If you haven't thought it through, you will end up with a beautiful deck that says nothing. And you might not notice because it looks so damn good. So simply use ChatGPT when you know what you want and you want it now. Claude when you are starting from scratch or maybe more research is needed. Set up both, connecting is free. All the links will be in the description along with every prompt I used in this particular video. Tell me in the comment section what you will use. ChatGPT with Gamma or Claude with Gamma.